Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 BMW X5 xDrive40d M Sport we have new in stock. This xDrive40d M Sport is a Euro 6 ULEZ compliant vehicle. It is also a 7-seater. This X5 M Sport has a great specification. To start with some of the features, you get the 19-inch double spoke 467M alloy wheels as standard with the M Sport. You get adaptive suspension, the twin exhaust tailpipes with the chrome finishers, LED tail lights, your LED headlights with bi-xeons in the centre. You've got the more aggressive body styling throughout the exterior. On the interior, you've got full leather. You've got your electric functions with the memory settings available for the driver and the passenger. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your cruise control functions, your drive selector on the centre console, some of your infotainment controls, your dynamic driving modes. You've got your climate control functions further up, access to some of your driving assist modes. On the centre screen you can see your DAB radio, your reversing camera, plus some of your other functions. You've also got the M Sport Plus package with this X5. That gets you the heads-up display function, the Harman and Kardon loudspeaker system. You get the multi-function instrument display with the speed limit display. You also get the sun protection glass. You've got the optional Panoramic sliding sunroof as an added feature. And lastly, you can see the third row of seating in the rear of the car, which will fold down if you need more storage space. If you'd like any more information on this BMW xDrive40d M Sport, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.